how to change the background color in Freeform on your Mac. So first I have to say that there is no option to change the background color, but I will show you the little trick how you can do it. So open your Freeform project and at the top click on Shapes and choose random shape which you want. And now we want to zoom out in left down corner area. Once you have the 10% zoom, you can resize this new background, for example like this, and now zoom into the original zoom. Now you can click this background and down here you can change the color which you want, and now simply right click and lock this background. So now if you want to add something, the background will be changed, but the main disadvantage is that you cannot see grids while you have this shape as your background. So that's all you have to know. I hope you find it helpful. See you next time.